Hi everyone, so I'm here to talk about the new Amrita Paleo Bites. I have been an Amrita Bar fanatic since I discovered them at Sprouts Market about 3 months ago. I'm obsessed with their sunflower jelly and maca bars, so when I was given the chance to try these Paleo Bites, I was super pumped. Immediately upon getting the box, I opened 3 flavors because I couldn't decide which one I wanted. So the dark chocolate espresso. This is the first one I tried, which was the chocolate mint because I'd seen it all over Instagram. And then I tried the chocolate coconut. As you can see, I'm a chocolate fanatic. I love these bars. The texture is just like their other full-size bars. I love that I could have just one bite when I just wanted some sweet after a meal or just something to hold me over until another meal. But eating 2 or 3 of them is like having a whole bar, so it's just great variety and opportunity to kind of pick what you're in the mood for. I have already mixed and matched, so I will say that all 3 chocolate ones taste phenomenal together. The texture is great. It's unlike any other bar I've had. It's chewy, but it's not something that gets stuck in your teeth like some of the other date bars are. So I highly recommend these. What I love about them is they're gluten-free. As someone with celiac, it is hard to find bars that are fully gluten-free. So these are great for that. I love that it's all natural ingredients, all things that I can read and understand. And I highly recommend that you try these out. I have not yet tried the apple cinnamon, but that sounds amazing. And I haven't tried the mango coconut yet. I think I'm gonna give these to a friend because I'm not a huge mango fan, but I would highly recommend them, and I already have a friend that's interested in trying. So check them out.